Hello guys, welcome back to Akshay's vlog. Hope you guys are doing really great. We are back on another video. On today's video, we'll be looking at something devastating, disappointing, at the same time strange, and reasons why people get pushed up to such an extent. Yeah, Sushant Singh Rajput incident is still an unsolved case. There are so many spectaculation news and other things going on. Earlier, they said nepotism was one reason why he was pushed away from the industry, which forced him to take up such a drastic step of committing suicide. Then later on, now the latest news and speculation, what they say is that Bihar police have received a complaint stating that Riya Chakraborty's live-in relationship girlfriend was one reason who took away all his money, gave him mental depression, gave him mental torture. But I hope this person, Sushant Singh Rajput, gets justice, because justice definitely needs to be given for such a drastic step that he did take up. Also, we'll be looking at 20 other personalities. There were so many other personalities, so many other Bollywood actors who did commit suicide, maybe due to depression, or let's see what was the reason that they were pushed to such a drastic extent. Also, we will be taking away some positive note and messages at the end of this video. So before that, before we get into the video, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, click onto the like button, and also share this video to as many as possible. The more amount of subscriptions and like I get, the more amount of energy I get in creating new videos. Okay, now let's get into the video. So first case, let's start up with Sushant Singh Rajput itself. Let me give you a brief idea. Most of you all would be knowing what did happen to him. I'm recording this video on August 1st. So today, exactly 1.5 months ago, Sushant Singh Rajput was found hanging in his Bandra residence. All was fine. 34 years old, who started his career with Pavitra Rishtra serial, then followed by Kai Pocha, a middle class fellow, a middle class person who came from a hardworking family, who had no contacts in Bollywood. Completely through hard work and dedication, he came to the industry. Then later, we all know how much dedication and hard work he did give in MS Dhoni, the untold story. But sadly, that as Kangana Ranaut told, due to the gagging and the nepotism and other things, that awards were bought, and such tremendous dedications and performance was not given any award. That was sad to know. But earlier, nepotism, how the only the film industry people get opportunities, and the people who are new to the industry gets kicked out. They said that was one such reason. All his contract was cancelled. He was forced to get out of the film industry, they were telling. Then later on, at current, the spectaculations were his living relationship girlfriend Riya Chakraborty was one such reason who pushed him to these kind of depression, snatched away all his money, did black magic, that this, so many mental torture was given. Even till today, I don't know if the case will be solved in further dates. Yeah, yeah, now Riya Chakraborty has moved the case to CBI, stating that she needs justice with him. She has also posted an emotional crying video on Instagram, but fans are definitely not believing. Fans, all Sushant Singh Rajput's fans say that this is all a completely drama, crocodile tears. Sushant Singh Rajput's dad clearly states that his bank account had 17 crores last month, and it suddenly came to 2 to 3 crores. How is that possible? So I hope Sushant Singh Rajput definitely gets justice one fine day. That would be the intention of our entire country, and definitely that it is disappointing to see. At this is definitely not an age to commit suicide. Please, please, please speak up. Would be one thing that we will have to take up as a lesson from this. Now, the next person whom I would be talking about, who did commit suicide before Sushant Singh Rajput over the years, later the years in the Bollywood or in the Indian film industry, would be, here we go. The first person, according to the records in Wikipedia, in Indian film industry, was Vasant Kumar Shivashankar Padkone. This is his full name, but later on in the industry, he was known as Guru Dutt. So this person named Guru Dutt was found dead in his apartment. Before that, let me tell who this person was. He was one of the famous leading actor. Now, if you how you see Ranbir Kapoor and Ranveer Singh during those days, this person named Guru Dutt was a leading star in the Bollywood industry in 1950s, 60s. I'm telling. In the Indian film industry, he was at the peak. They used to say, By CNN itself, he was ranked among top 25 actors in Asia. I'm not telling in India, in Asia. In 1950s, 60s, where cinema had no major development, at the basic stage, only black and white, some beginning stages to the color effect movies. During those days, this person named Guru Dutt was at the peak. He was nominated among the top 25 actors in Asia. Let me quickly read out all this movie which he acted: Pyas, Gulam, Chauni Ki Chand, and also Kagaz Ke Phool. These were the movies which were acted by this person named Guru Dutt, but he was found committing suicide due to overdose. He already tried committing suicide over 2-3 times, and in the third attempt, they say due to overdose, he was found dead in his rented apartment in Mumbai. This is sad to hear, but such a leading star at 1950s, 60s with very less opportunities, who is also recognized among top 25 actors in across Asia, definitely ended his life with a sad note. Next, if you're a 90s kid, you will definitely be knowing this person, none other than Silk Smitha, one of the leading stars who were at the peak. Now, how Sunny Leon is at the peak during those days, Silk Smitha was at the top of the peak in acting industry, late 80s and late 90s. She acted in more than 450 films, and she was surviving in the industry for 17 long years. Also, 17 long years she was surviving in the industry. Later, in September 23rd, 1996, she was found dead in her apartment in Chennai. In Chennai, she was found hanging. So many people suspect that there is some foul play that was happening in her death. But what the suspect and the cops and the CBI say is that she committed suicide due to mental depression. Silk Smitha was also recognized as one of the more hottest model figure in the industry during those days around late 90s, 80s, 1980, 1990, she was at the peak. But sadly, she ended up her life with a sad note. But again, here, there was also a movie, if you would have watched, Hindi movie named The Dirty Picture, acted by Vidya Balan and Naziruddin Shah. This movie was taken as an inspiration from Silk Smitha. So if you watch this movie, if you're 18 plus, if you watch this movie, you can get an understanding of how a tough life of Silk Smitha was. But what CBI and other police officers say that she committed suicide because of mental depression. She faced so many loss in producing movies, and she committed suicide. But the people say there is some foul play that has been played in her life. Next actress would be Mona, who is relative sister of Simran, Tamil actress Simran. Mona is also a Tamil actress who did act in so many movies at the age of 2002. She was acting in so many romantic Tamil films. She was also a well-known actress who was born to act naturally. Also, her sister Simran still fights in the courts, asking justice for her sister's death, stating that choreographer Prasanna Sujit was the reason for the death of her sister Mona. Mona and Prasanna Sujit, the choreographer whom I said, they were in a relationship. Then later on, few days back before Mona commits suicide in her residence, by committing suicide, it says that they broke up and they had a split in the relationship. So Simran says that Prasanna Sujit, who is the choreographer, has given mental torture by breaking up, gave her so many irritations in her mind, and one such reason why her sister Mona committed suicide. But 2002, one of the leading star, if she was there now, she would have been another recognized star in the industry. But sadly, she ended her life very, very soon at a very, very young age. Still, the justice is not out. Her sister Simran, who is a very known actress, is still fighting in Chennai court, in Supreme Court, to get justice for her sister. Next actress would be Mayuri, who was the top South Indian actress during the time of 2005-6, 2004 to 6. She was also good in the industry for her acting skills. She has acted in so many movies around Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, and also Hindi. So if I have to say some movies name would Summer in Bettanam, Akasha Ganga, Prem Pujari, Chandanamma and Manmadan, and also Aaren Gulande Veedu. These are some of the movies that Mayuri did act. In the year June 16, 2005, she was found hanging in her house and she did commit suicide. There are so many spectaculations again when it came to her death, that depth, loss of pay. She was removed away from the industry. So many of her contract was cancelled. So many spectaculations when one person die, immediately gossip, right? Now, if you can take an example of Sushant itself, when he died, so many reasons come up. The people create the new news and they spectaculate it. So no proper reason was found why she committed suicide, but uh, reports say that depression was one such reason why she committed suicide. So we lost another young talent at the year 2005-6. If she would have fought depression and she would have woke up, maybe by now she would have been another reputed star in the industry. But sadly, we lost another star, Mayuri. So many people have already committed suicide in the Tamil industry. Earlier, I told Silk Smitha. Now again, Kunal Singh is another very good actor, very good actor. He like in Tamil movies and all. If you see during 2K Kids, initial stage of 2000, such a romantic actor he was. He acting in the like so such a good actor he was. In one shot itself, he acts. He completes the shots and all. People used to say during those time, but sadly, again, February 7, 2008. February 7, 2008, he was found dead by hanging in his ceiling in Mumbai. But Kunal's dad challenges her, telling that his son was too bold, he didn't commit suicide. It was completely due to a disease called bruising. Now, let me tell what bruising is. I'll attach an image here also. You will have an idea of what bruising is. Bruising is basically a kind of blood bleeding or a blood clot that happens in particular set of organ. It will be in a kind of purple reddish when it occurs. And Kunal's dad said that his son was so bold enough, he had guts to face in life only due to bruising. He did commit suicide, but facts also states that initially Lavina Bhatia was the one who identified. She was also an actress. She was the one who identified Kunal's dead body. So many people during those time, another speculation arose, stating that this actress named Lavina Bhatia was the one who killed Kunal Singh. It is not Sushant Singh, it is Kunal Singh. I'm talking about Kunal Singh, not Sushant Singh. In 2005, so this actress named Lavina Bhatia was the one who forced Kunal Singh to death, causing him mental depression. Later, even police also arrested this actress named Lavina because so many complaints were given on her name. But later on, after a few months, she was released because there was no proper evidence submitted. So court had to release this person, and again, this case was a mystery, having a question mark. Why did Kunal Singh commit suicide? And that is another huge loss. Such a talented actor he is. If you could go see all his movies, you would definitely get to know how talented actor this person Kunal Singh was. But sadly, we lost another life in the industry. Next actor would be Santosh Yogi, who committed suicide. He is a Bollywood actor. He is from the Malayalam industry. He was found committing suicide in the year 2010 in his friend's flat in Thrissur. He was found hanging, as I told earlier. He was popularly known for his villain role in Mayavi. Such a tremendous villain he was in the Malayalam industry, and also in Malayalam movie of Mohanlal's movie Kirti Chakra in the year 2006. Kirti Chakra in Mohanlal's movie, he was played as a military man role. Such a good acting skill he did. But later, according to the police reports and according to the CBI reports, everything what they come to the conclusion is he was pushed into depression due to so many family problems. He had so many family troubles, and a day one such reason why he was pushed into depression, and he had no reason, he had no other way to come out of it, and he had no clue. And in his friend's house, he committed suicide in the year 2010. But such a good actor who was of a great loss to the Malayalam industry. Next actor again from the Malayalam industry, his name was Srinath. In Kotamangalam 2010, April 23rd, he was seen committing suicide in his house due to, and again another question mark in this case, why he committed suicide, it's still in a question mark. But he was found dead. Some of the popular Malayalam movies which he did act was Shalini and the Kutagari, இது நிஜங்கொள்ளண்ட கதா, ஒரு CBI diary குறிப்பு, he was also Shiva Sena candidate in 2009 Lok Sabha election, and he also won Kerala State Best Television Award in the year 2010. So many awards he has won. A politician, multi-talented person. Again, a question mark why he was pushed into such an extent of committing suicide. Actress again in the Bollywood industry, Jia Khan. She was one of the prominent actors who made a debut in Ram Gopal Verma sir's movie in the year 2007. She was found committing suicide in the year 2008. In the year 2007, she was also 2007-8. She was also nominated for the best debut female actress in the Bollywood industry Filmfare Award. Also, she acted in a major role in Amir Khan's movie Gajini, directed by A.R. Murugadas in the year 2008. Jia Khan, this person, you can see a photo here. If you had watched the Gajini movie, you would have got to know about her. Khan is a British Indian actress. So once he committed suicide, and CBI took this case very seriously. Such a prominent actor, they investigated the case so seriously. Also, Jia Khan's mother committed that actor Suraj Pancholi was the reason who gave sexual torture and abuse and led her to suicide. But and also claimed that he needs to pay the money for the penalty charges for sexual abuse, sexual assault, and also for the murder. But initially, this case failed in the year 2017. But later in the year 2018, in Mumbai court, Suraj Pancholi was asked to pay the money to Jia Khan's family as a mark of penalty. Maybe CBI would have given some proof for stating that Suraj Pancholi was the reason for Jia Khan's death. But another prominent actress who ended her life very soon without speaking out would be one reason, which is very sad. We'll jump quickly into Telugu industry. In Telugu industry, there was a person named Ranganath who has acted over 300 films, and he's in the industry for 15 years. In the year 2015, in his Hyderabad flat, he was seen committing suicide, leading himself to the death. Such a talented actor, 300 movies is just not a joke, and he's in the industry from past 15 years. We really don't know what kind of mental torture or depression that he was facing through, which forced him to an extent of committing suicide. But we lost another very good star, Ranganath, from the Telugu industry. People, if you're a Telugite, if you're watching this video, you would be knowing such a prominent actor who we lost at a very young age. Sad to know, but yes. Quickly, one more person, Uday Kiran. He is also from the Telugu industry. He won so many Filmfare Awards, 2 Filmfare Awards. He is the only actor to uh, translate all his movie and release in all regional languages in the industry. All his first 4 films were released in all regional languages. He is known for that, Uday Kiran. He was found committing suicide, and according to the police report, they say that due to financial pressure and financial losses, he was pushed into depression, and that was one of the reason why he committed suicide. One more loss to the Telugu industry would be Mr. Uday Kiran, who also won Filmfare Award, Telugu Prominent Actor Award, but sadly we lost another youngster. Next actress again in the Bollywood industry, Shikha Joshi, who appeared in the Hindi movie known as B.A. Pass in the year 2013. She was seen committed suicide on the year 2015 in her apartment. Her parents say that her neck had a very large mark, and they are still requesting the CBI to take this case and investigate it thoroughly. But we still don't know what the final decision and why she was pushed into such an extent of committing suicide. But Shikha Joshi, who is one of another good actress who acted in the movie B.A. Pass in the year 2013, had to end up her life so soon due to depression. 2016, in Tamil industry, Sai Prashant, an actor named Sai Prashant, was found dead. So many people say that Sri Vidya, there was another late actress named Sri Vidya who is no more. That was the reason for his death. He was found dead by mixing poison with alcohol. He drank poison mixed with alcohol and he committed suicide. Police reports and claims at the end in the court says that due to loneliness and mental pressure and depression and not getting enough amount of film opportunities was one such reason why he committed suicide. He is one of the most recognized movie would be Vadakari. If you're from the Tamil industry, you would definitely be knowing this actor named Sai Prashant. You could see his photo here. So Sai Prashant, we lost another young star in the Tamil industry. Loneliness and depression. Please go and talk to your friends would be one thing I would say when you are feeling lone or alone. Petrol actress Preksha Mehta was found dead in the year 2018-19 in her house itself, resident hanging in the ceiling of the fan. She had already expressed her depressions, losing friends, losing movies, losing money in the industry, and loneliness was the reason depression why she committed suicide. She already expressed this disappointment to her parents. They also gave her mental stability, but one beyond control when it went, she was definitely not able to handle it, and she did commit suicide. So, Crime Patrol actress, one of the known actors in the industry, also left her life very soon without facing the tough challenges aspect of life. Before we end the video, what I would just like to end up by saying is millions of people who commit suicide is due to depression. Depression is everywhere, especially during the lockdown. So many of you might feel that you're alone, you are mentally upset, mentally depressed. Please, please, please speak up to your friend. Your life is so precious. Life is one-time opportunity. Maybe there is a concept of rebirth. Who knows if you would get this opportunity to live? Life is full of surprises and miracles. It's a difficult path which leads to a beautiful success. It is definitely going to be thrilling and exciting. Don't commit or don't take up any drastic measures of committing suicide. Life is very precious, as I say. It's a one-time opportunity. You need to experience it. Difficulties will definitely come, but one fine day when you find the success, you are gonna be one of the most happiest person, isn't it? Please pick up your friends. Now, at this moment, after watching the video, just call up to one of your friend and just tell that I'm there for you. If you have any problems or any concerns, do call up me. That would definitely make his or her day. At least we could save one life, isn't it? So many people are undergoing depression, and we don't know what kind of professional help they require. But what we can do is we can give our support to them. So that would be one thing that I would say. Please be strong, be safe, live the life. Life is full of difficulties. It, for some of you, not for everyone. For some, it might be full of difficulties, but it's gonna be exciting, isn't it? Maybe the next innings would definitely be something full of fun, amazement, and happiness in your life. So that's the video. I just wanted to spread some positivity. Don't think what this guy is doing negative videos by posting all depression content. Nothing. If you need help, just call upon to your friends, take up some professional help, and definitely you will be coming out and be a shining star in the industry. So that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be coming up with another video tomorrow. Till then, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Show all your support. What else? See you all in another video. Until then.